Hello everyone. Now we'll see how you can manage your live classes in Vidyalaya Prabandhan. Suppose there is a teacher who wants to create their live class for maths between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So how they can manage? So simply you have to select live classes. Here you can see already one live class is added. If you want to join, you can join from here. You can join only in between 1 to 2 p.m. You can it will create the link there, so you can directly join. Like the student can directly join in live classes. A student of class second. Here you can see if this live class is for second. You can filter it from here. Like if I want to check live classes of class third, I can check from third class. Here you can see nothing is added here. If you want to create another new live class, suppose I am teacher of class third and I want to create new live class. So just select the add live class, select the school. And live class title, suppose I am creating English live class. Now select the class, third class and class third, and English. Subject is English and start time will be, first you have to select the date. I am selecting 1st of July and time will be 4 to 5 p.m. 4 to 5 p.m. Here you can see, and if you want to add some notice, you can add like you can add anything in your notebook, in your notes, and just submit. After submit, you can see live class is created. So whenever student log in Vidyalaya Prabandhan, they just select their school and their class, and suppose they are in third class and they can watch their live class and just simply select plus and they can join their live class from here. It will automatically create link that will join all the student in live classes. So whenever student log in Vidyalaya Prabandhan, they can watch all their live classes from here and join directly from here. It will start between 4 to 5 am only. Now it's showing nothing, but in between 4 to 5 pm, it will show you link here. So you can directly join, and any student can directly join from here. So this is how you can manage your live classes. If you want to search another class or live class, suppose I am selecting second class. So there is a maths live class in second class. So it will show you on dashboard also, like total live classes. You can see total live classes is 2. So you can watch your total live classes from dashboard, and this is how you can manage your live classes in Vidyalaya Prabandhan. Thank you.